Did you know that all the devices you use are designed in CAD software? From here, the specifications are obtained to be validated and produced. This allows us to reduce cost and streamline manufacturing processes. SolidWorks is a leading software in mechanical design, and then we are going to see how it works and its main advantages. The first step is to draw the geometry of the piece into dimensions on a plane. That's as if you were drawing on a sheet of paper. SolidWorks makes the process easier for us because it's a parametric software, which means that we can start from an ambiguous drawing and later add parameters to it to fully define the desired geometry. When we talk about parameters, we are referring to geometric and dimensional constraints. Dimensional constraints are the dimensions that we assign to a line or a section from a desired measure. Geometric constraints are properties such as horizontality, verticality, and parallelism. Once we finish drawing the contour on a plane, we can create a solid in 3D, and from this, repeat the operation. That is, we can redraw another figure or do an operation to add or remove material to the piece. Well, a great advantage is that when we have a finished part, we can modify any parameter of it, and it will be updated with the new dimensions. So, we can make a design change quickly, accurately, and reliably. Once we have designed all the parts that we are going to use, we can assemble them and validate their correct operation. SolidWorks allows us to manipulate the part freely in space for a better visualization, and thus place geometric restrictions on our assembly. Unlike the restrictions that we have used in the design of parts, in this case we will be placing the physical restrictions that our assembly would have in real life, due to the contact or friction with other parts. The third and last step is to obtain the manufacturing drawings. On this occasion, it's not necessary to redraw the part. Simply select the desired view and the characteristics that you want to size here. You can select the views that you consider necessary, whether they are section cuts, projected views, auxiliary views of metric organization, and mention them or any other characteristic or annotation that the part requires. SolidWorks allows us to manage to modify and edit projects in a bidirectional way, which means that if we change a measurement in the 3D part, it will automatically be modified in the manufacturing drawing. In this series of SolidWorks tutorials, we will focus on developing our 3D models.